In today's video, I show you how to change your time zone in Slack so your messages, notifications and schedules always stay accurate. Perfect for remote teams or if you've moved to a new location. Start by opening Slack in your browser or desktop app and signing into your workspace. Once inside, click your profile picture in the bottom left corner and select Preferences. Next, scroll to Language and Region. Here you will see two options for your time zone. Set automatically. Sync Slack with your computer's time zone. Ideal for frequent travelers. Set manually, uncheck automatic, and pick the time zone you need from the drop-down list. Slack saves your selection automatically, so you can simply close the menu. And that's it. Your Slack time zone is now updated, keeping all your communications and schedules aligned perfectly with your location. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating in Slack.